Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll discuss about constraint. So this is the continuation of SQLite database series. In previous video we have discussed about data type. So let's discuss about constraint. So what is constraint and how many types of constraint? So constraint in database. It is used to specify the rule for data in table. Constraint used to specify rules rules for the data rules for data in table. Okay, so constants are used to specify rules for data in table. Now there are commonly known constants. Some of the constants are like not null. Not What is not null? Not null ensures that column have not null value. Not null ensures that column 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 does not have column don't have null value. Okay. Now next one is unique. Next one unique. Unique ensures that all value in column are different. All value in column are different. All value in column are different. Not null, column don't have null value. It ensures that. So if we write here ensures that and unique ensures that all value in column are different. Okay. Next, key constraint. What? Key constraint. Keys constraint. So what is key? Simply key is an attribute or set of attribute which helps you to identify a row in table. Okay, so there are various keys. What we will discuss, there are various keys, but we will discuss in this video only primary key and foreign key. So primary key constraint. Primary key is a combination of not null and unique constraint. We can say combination of not null plus unique constant. Okay, primary key constants, combination of not null plus unique constant. Okay, so primary key is a combination of not null plus unique constant. Okay, and now uniquely identifies each row in a table. Uniquely identify each row in a table. Okay, so primary key is a combination of not null plus unique constant and uniquely identifies each row in a table. Now next is a foreign key. Foreign key. So what is foreign key? Foreign key identifies each row uniquely in another table, in other table. So identifies each row in other table, uniquely identifies each row in another table. Okay. Now next constant is check constant. CHECK. Check constant. Okay. So check constants ensures that all value in column satisfy the condition. All values ensures that check constants ensure all values satisfies condition satisfies condition satisfies ensure all value satisfies. So we can apply here ensure ensure all value satisfies the condition whatever we have given the condition it satisfies. So check constants check that all value satisfies the condition. Now next one is index. Index is very important. So what index will do? Index constants is used to create or retrieve the data from database very quickly. So actually index is used to optimization point of view. Index is used for the performance of to ensure that database will perform very efficiently. So the index is used to create and retrieve data from database very quickly. So used for database optimization So index is used for database optimization for better performance. We use index. Now the next one is default. If there is no value assigned, set the default value. Okay, so we know DEFL default. So set the value for column with no value. If there is no value, then we can set. Okay, so the default we can set default value if there is not any. Okay, so these are the constants that we have discussed. So see, constant. What is constant? Constants used to specify rules for data in table, and there are various constants like not null ensures that column don't have null value. Unique constants ensure that all value in column are different. Then key constants. What is key? Key is an attribute or set of attribute which helps to identify a row in a table. Then keys are various keys constant like primary key, foreign key. We'll discuss two here only. And the primary key is a combination of not null plus unique constant and uniquely identifies each row in a table, whereas foreign key is uniquely identifies each row in another table. Now the check constants ensure all value satisfies the specific condition that we have provided. A specific condition, specific condition. And index is used to create the database optimization. Based on the number we can retrieve the data quickly. So we provide the index. Okay, and the default, if there is no value, then we can set the default value of any. Okay, so that's all in this video. In the next video, we will discuss details about primary key, foreign key, check constants, index. I mean, all these constants we will discuss one by one in great detail. So thanks for watching the video. If you like, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.